Welcome to Motor Vision, the home of automotive passion, where we bring you the latest and most exciting cars from around the world. Today, we have something truly special, a name that sparks nostalgia and excitement among car enthusiasts. The Volkswagen Corrado is making a comeback in 2026, and it's not just a reimagined classic, it's a modern masterpiece built for the future. Volkswagen is bringing back the Corrado after decades, and this time, it's designed to compete in the modern performance coupe segment with a perfect blend of heritage and cutting-edge technology. The new Corrado stays true to its roots but embraces an entirely new era of performance and efficiency. At first glance, the design of the 2026 Corrado is a work of art. Volkswagen has crafted a sleek, aerodynamic coupe with sharp lines, an aggressive stance, and signature LED lighting that pays homage to the original while looking entirely futuristic. The front grille is minimalist yet bold, and the sculpted hood hints at the power underneath. The sloping roofline flows smoothly into the rear, where an active spoiler, much like the original VR6 model, enhances aerodynamics and adds to the car's sporty appeal. Under the hood, Volkswagen is offering multiple powertrain options. For enthusiasts who crave classic performance, there's a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine pushing out around 300 horsepower, sending power to either the front wheels or an available all-wheel drive system. But for those who want cutting-edge technology, there's also a hybrid variant combining an electric motor with a turbocharged engine, producing up to 400 horsepower while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. And for the future-focused driver, Volkswagen is developing a fully electric Corrado, built on the brand's advanced MEB platform, delivering instant torque, a range of over 300 miles, and a 0.60 time that could rival some supercars. Stepping inside, the 2026 Corrado is all about driver engagement and premium comfort. The cabin is a blend of classic Volkswagen simplicity and high-tech innovation. A fully digital cockpit greets the driver with customizable displays, while a large touchscreen infotainment system supports the latest software, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials used are high quality, with options for Alcantara, leather, and even sustainable eco-friendly trims. The sports seats provide excellent support for spirited driving, and the flat-bottom steering wheel, complete with paddle shifters, enhances the sporty experience. But Volkswagen isn't just focusing on performance, safety and technology are just as important. The 2026 Corrado comes packed with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and even an AI-powered driving assistant that learns and adapts to your driving habits. The car also offers an advanced launch control system and adaptive suspension, allowing drivers to fine-tune the ride from comfortable cruising to aggressive cornering at the push of a button. One of the most exciting aspects of the new Corrado is its driving dynamics. Volkswagen has engineered the chassis to deliver precise handling, responsive steering, and an exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're tackling winding roads, enjoying a spirited highway drive, or just cruising through the city, the Corrado promises a balanced blend of comfort and excitement. Volkswagen fans have been waiting for a performance coupe to make a return, and the 2026 Corrado delivers in every way possible. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a modern take on an icon that defined an era. Whether you're a longtime Corrado enthusiast or someone looking for a stylish, high-performance coupe, this car is set to impress. What do you think about the return of the Volkswagen Corrado? Would you go for the turbocharged engine, the hybrid, or the fully electric version? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Vision for more exciting car content. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next one.